उनके अंदाज़े करम उन पे वो आना।
क्या होने वाला है आज?
सर आज कुछ अनोखा ही होने वाला है कि पहला शो है जिसमें मैंने आई लेफ्ट एवरीथिंग टू एवरीवन एल्स rather than being anal about it. So I left the whole show to you and you have managed to exceed my expectations.
उनके अंदाज़ उनके अंदाज़।
We're gonna try a bit of Qawwali, a bit of traditional sort of contemporary sound and some originals.
उनके अंदाज़े करम उन पे वो
कव्वाली करते हो वैसे?
Yeah, not really. I wouldn't call what I do Qawwali. I would call it the butchery of Qawwali, honestly. It's not really Qawwali. It's I've dissected the whole piece into manageable parts for me and my limited talents. Qawwali is a pretty vast, genre. It requires years of training, and I've got none of it. So I do what I can. That's all.
हम इंसान ऐसे कुछ जीव या पक्षी कह लो जो कह लो, but we're such people that whoever hurts us, we seek answers from them, right? लेकिन in essence हम एक सांप से पूछ रहे हैं कि उसने हमें क्यों डसा, तो उसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है ना सुना उसने तवज्जो से फसाना।
What's your approach to it though? What would you do? Like आप कुछ cover करते हो तो एक तो straight up cover होता है, but then like good covers are always with something of yourself in it, right?
Yeah.
So how would you do it now after everyone's done Qawwali, right?
Yeah, so whenever I pick up a song to do, right, it's always how I've connected with the song itself, whether it's the given meaning or not. So and I'll be explaining it in the show today. So it's basically I derive a personal meaning out of it, and when I'm performing that song, that's the meaning I'm trying to convey, right? And since it's not really the meaning of the song itself, it adds that subtle, intangible flavor to it.
What's the greatest investment a man can make? No, it's hard, right? हम दुकान पे कुछ खरीदने जाते हैं तो we check it first before paying with money. But what do we check when we're giving this? We don't check nothing, right? ये फेंक दिया ये लोग. And then when that investment goes wrong, वो भी अपने न हुए, दिल भी गया हाथों से।
How important is it that they believe what you believe while you're singing? How do you do that?
I don't know. I guess people somehow manage to attach what my art is to my being personally.
से तो बेहतर था ना आना।
When I'm doing a song, they go like, "इसका दिल टूटा हुआ है." नहीं टूटा हुआ है यार, but they start affiliating the meaning to me and how I'm feeling. And since मेरा दिल टूटा हुआ है और जो सुन रहा है उसका भी टूटा हुआ है, तो ये मेरा भाई, ठीक है? That sort of connection you end up building with the audience, which is pretty interesting.
Good one.
I like to take them to places. I give them what they want, a bit of it, and then I give them what I think they need. So it's a bit of a psychological maneuver there, where I'm bringing them in and then feeding them a bit of my stuff. दिल लगी दिल की लगी.
When you see an audience, do you see a them or do you see a this guy, this guy?
Okay, so when I see an audience, it's usually a body of people, but I do single out a few faces which I can look at and concentrate on, because when you're on stage, I believe it's an exchange of energies, right? You're taking something and you're giving it back. But in order to effectively do that, I do focus on a few faces, but it's usually the body. And I want to make sure that I'm modulating the whole mood of the room accordingly.
That's one of your, I would say, like better skills holding a room.
I think I've been an attention whore since I was young. Yes, I
Practice it as well.
yeah. It's something that happens. I am aware of it, and I do use it to my better judgment. I still use it.
उनके तबस्सुम की कसम देखते रह गए हाथ से जाना दिल का उनके पे वो आना वो वक्त वो बात वो ज़माना उन पे वाना दिल को.
Thank you.
कभी पिछले बात आ गया. I've only done a recipe for a couple of days.